welcome back to my channel. Ritika this side. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my video. And if you have watched my video before but still haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. This will help me to motivate and make good content and more videos. This was a clear sunny day and we planned to visit Vrindavan Garden in Mysuru. Being a student of SDM college, wherever we go, we have to book Uber for that, be it an auto or be it an cab. So पहली प्रॉब्लम तो आपको ये होगी कि when you book a cab, they will ask you for booking for both up and down, क्योंकि the cab driver will say that मेरे को कोई customers नहीं मिलेंगे वापस आने के time, so you have to book for down also. The second thing is that you have to bargain a lot. उसने हम लोगों से पूछा था कि अप एंड डाउन के लिए ही विल चार्ज 3000, बट आफ्टर बार्गेनिंग फॉर मोर देन हाफ एन आवर ही केम टू 1600. वैसे तो डिवाइड हो जाएगा 4 पीपल में, 400 ईच पर्सन इट विल कॉस्ट, बट मैं आपको लास्ट में बताऊंगी कि दैट 400 वॉज ऑल्सो वर्थ इट और नॉट. सो लेट्स स्टे ट्यून टिल द एंड. In this Vrindavan garden, there is also a dam known as KRS Dam, but this dam was unfortunately closed this day, so we were not able to see or enjoy the view. और ये डैम होने के नाते यहाँ पे you will get many different varieties of fish. You will get to see them, you can't eat them of course. So this view was so serene and soothing for my eyes. What to say, I always love nature and I want to be wrapped up with nature all the time. Just look at this waterfall, it's a small waterfall और यहाँ पे बैठे हुए आप घंटों भी बिता सकते हो. If I be honest, then Vrindavan Garden has nothing, but it has a splendid beauty of nature all around. Different variety of flowers, glass house where you can see the flower show, the waterfall, KRS Dam and such things. It's basically like a beautiful park where many gatherings takes place or people can do picnic or they can sit and gossip and have a chill time. So if you are a nature lover or you want to explore a new place, then you can visit obviously, but it's worth it for one time only. और ये देखो पर्पल कलर की फ्लावर, इट्स लुकिंग लाइक अ फ्लावर बेड. पहले तो मेरे को ये लगा था दैट दिस आर लैवेंडर फ्लावर्स, बट इट्स नॉट लैवेंडर. आफ्टरवर्ड्स आई केम टू नो इट्स सम वाइल्ड फ्लावर्स. और यहाँ पे देखो मैं पानी के साथ खेल रही थी. मेरे को पानी बहुत पसंद है. जब भी मैं सी बीच में जाती हूँ या कोई भी जगह जाती हूँ, मेरे को पार तो डुबाना ही है उसमें. So this was a small waterfall. They have arranged here this place and I was sitting there and chilling. और मैं कहीं पर भी जाऊँ मेरे को शिवा मिल ही जाता है. Next we'll take you to the Sri Venugopala Swami temple in Mysuru, which is 20 minutes of distance from Vrindavan Garden. Till then enjoy the sunset. And we reached to this temple. You can see the traffic it has. I'll say you more about this traffic in later parts. For now let's get into the temple. ये जो टेम्पल है ये बहुत पुराना है and it is made of fully carved stones. This temple is surrounded by a lake and this gives a sea vibe exactly like a ocean or sea, but this view of sunset from the side of the lake is amazing. First we will go inside the temple, after that we will view the sunset. When you come, please check the timing of the temple and then come, because temple closes at 5:30 to 6 p.m. However, time might vary as per festival. Try करना 6 बजे के बाद ही निकल जाना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बहुत ट्रैफिक लगे हुए रहते हैं. The architecture of the temple was very unique and it was made out of the hard work of the architects. You can really see the design and the ideas that they have woven in their architecture. It was splendid. First we had a thought that is it made of cement or something, but when later we went inside, it was the stones which were carved into that mandir and it was looking beautiful. Mandir के अंदर phone लेके जाना allowed नहीं था, so I couldn't record, but after visiting the temple I was unearthing myself by walking in barefoots. And this is the seaside view that I was talking about. Just look at the viewpoint. It's actually a sunset viewpoint where people gather and take the vibe and just enjoy the sunset of Mysuru. I'm so grateful to the universe that I'm able to visit here, these places in this lifetime, and I'm able to see this beautiful sunset. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. मिलती हूँ next video पे आप लोगों के साथ. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.